Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Umi Shahzudin binti Januddin, and today I will present about the influence of automation technology on the process of financial and accounting in TBL Electronics Sdn Bhd. TBL Electronics Sdn Bhd is a company founded in at Kuala Lumpur, Wilayah Persekutuan Malaysia. This company also registered in Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia for its business operation, and their nature of business is trading of electrical product. In recent time, we know that technology runs our life these days. In a very short amount of time, technology has exploded in the market, and now many people cannot imagine life without technology. All technologies are born out of purpose. For example, search engines were created to sort through the massive amount of data online. Besides that, there is an accounting system in technology. Every accountant knows that accounting is a language of business. That language has gone through many changes throughout the ages, but through all the changes, accounting technology has always played a part in making the job easier. The advancement technology of accounting has enhanced the ability to process data efficiently and effectively. Nevertheless, accounting, also known as a system designed to measure, aggregate, and transmit financial data into a variety of managerial purposes. In most organizations, accounting system is an integral part of the overall core control system because its measurement capability and the need for measure to facilitate control. Therefore, this study aims to know the influence of automation technology on the process of financial accounting in TBL Electronics Sdn Bhd.
Hello, my name is Liu Meishi. Now I am going to present about the background of the company TVL Electronic Sdn Bhd. TVL Electronic Sdn Bhd established in 2014 and in business for over 6 years. This company provides distribution of quality home appliances for Malaysia. Tan Wei-hen is the director of TVL Electronic Sdn Bhd. Is in charge of all sales, marketing, and operation. The mission of the company is to become market leader in providing innovation appliances and products globally. The vision of this company is to enrich people's quality of life through a better lifestyle and happiness. This company provides various home appliances products such as LED TV, refrigerator and freezer, washing machine, induction cooker, water heater, electrical item and spare part, and other big small appliances. The type of business is a product provider, and they were incorporated on 5 November 2014. The company headquarters is in Selangor, and they have one branch in Perak. That's all my part, and I will pass to my friend to present the next part. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nivedita Parameswaran and my card metric number is CP 2054. Today, I'm going to present about Autocount system background in TBL Electronics Sdn Bhd. What is Autocount system? An Autocount system is an accounting system is used to manage the income, expenses, and other financial activities. Autocount business suite was developed by Autocount Sdn Bhd, which was formed in 1996 in Malaysia. As 2009, there were more than 30,000 companies from Malaysia and Asian countries started to use Autocount system software in business industry daily. There are 4 main systems in Autocount system. The first one is Autocount accounting. The second one is Autocount payroll. The third one is Autocount point of sale, and the fourth is Autocount mobile. Then these are the advantages of using Autocount system. First is it is easy to use and it's affordable, and it can be used with basic knowledge in accounting. Then another advantage of using Autocount system is it saves time and works efficiently. Then it minimizes workload and zero human error. The final advantages of Autocount system is it is better security and authority and flexible that allows to customize users' requirement. And then my friend will continue. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nur Shafina Binti Liaquat Ali. Now I'm going to present on methodology. An interview for TBL Electronic Sdn Bhd accounting system has been conducted through Zoom application where participants are from their own residence. An interview was attended by Miss Emily, accounting manager of TBL Electronic Sdn Bhd. The meeting was ended for 40 minutes. The technology that TBL Electronic Sdn Bhd using for accounting is Autocount. Subjective information is assembled through semi-organized meeting that is utilizing the accounting system in TBL Electronic Sdn Bhd. The inquiries were made dependent on the exploitation structure and subject. That's all from me.
Hello, my name is Liu Meishi. Now I will going to present about the result. There are 4 elements in this result, which is technology, process, support and acceptance, and challenges. The first part is technology. Based on Miss Emily, the accounting manager of TBL Electronics Sdn Bhd. The technology being used by the finance and accounting unit is Autocount. This technology helps with a full set accounting software which is simple and convenient than manual accounting, either keying data or creating data. The full set accounting software will let you manage your general ledger, account receivable, account payable, sales and purchase, GST and SST, and even preparing the basic financial report. For example, it provides the support on creating invoice such as good receipt note and purchase invoice. It can also easily track down any data such as stock issue, stock return, purchase invoice, and anything about general accounting. A new adoption of technology does not fully affect the issue job reduction, but it gives impact on job recruitment of job rotation or specific tasks in certain division. The former job task was allocated to a person only seen in control manually before the technology adopt. This causes oversensitive on securities. As for the job rotation, the company allocate 2 to 3 employees in charge of the data entry in accounting division. For example, one will be in charge of stock data entry, one will be in charge of purchase data entry, and one will be in charge of sales data entry. The purpose of this action is to support the employee by allowing them to focus on their specific tasks and reduce workload. That's all my technology part. Now I will pass to my friend to present the next part. Thank you.
An interview for TBL Electronic Sdn Bhd accounting system has been conducted through online platform, which is Zoom meeting, where the participants are from their own residence. The meeting was attended by Miss Emily, accounting manager of TBL Electronic Sdn Bhd. The first question that we ask is how automation technology helps Miss Emily in her work process. Miss Emily said this software helps her during keying, process and tracking data. Actually, she prefers automation technology because it allows her to work efficiently. The pattern and design of invoice are more systematic so that she don't need to design it by herself. In addition, the software is very convenient. There is no need to debit and credit manually in each transaction because the system will help her post to general ledger and reports. As for the data tracking, she can also save more time in searching the invoice history just by typing the code. Second question that we ask is, how does this technology affect Miss Emily's analytical skills and in making decisions? Miss Emily said, viewing the daily sales, gain sales, stock report, and purchase history from the system, it provides her a wider view when it comes to analyzing the profit margin. Therefore, it's easy to make forecasts in each month when these data support are around. The company will also forecast for purchase inventory month to month based on the reports and creating a better financial status. If the sales of products are not reached to its sales standard, the company will decide whether it should be increased or decrease the supply for the further month. The software provides a clear and understandable analysis for the company in deciding its forecasts. Besides that, accounting software also helps to increase efficiency as it has the ability to manage account receivable, account payable, general ledger, and others. Account software also helps us to keep the information in one place, making it simple to reference the past transaction, and we won't waste our time digging through paperwork and spreadsheet. The company financial data is most valuable information and it must be prevented from falling into the wrong hand. Manual accounting might loosen up the security and being underprotected. Accounting software prevent information being jeopardized in any way and keeping an extra copy in case you need to retrieve them. Even though software license and infrastructure are paid for upfront, maintenance and product upgrades typically aren't free. The company needs to renew its license in a specific period and have to consider IT labor costs, vendor support, and potential system breakdown in price factor. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Nurul Dana Syairah binti Azhari. My matric number AP 200,516. I will present the part of support and acceptance. Electronic companies get support from the management and IT department. The system vendor will provide some initial help setting on the accounting software. Employees of TBL Electronic Sendian Berhad Company are not offended that training are provided by the company due to the systematic job scope and the potential leadership of a manager. The instruction of one job scope are provided detailed and the employee receive their basic knowledge in applying accounting software by experienced college. Vendor include basic training service for free while other offer them at an additional cost. This slide will explain about skill, knowledge, and experience needed. As an accountant, must know how to prepare financial statement, accounting report, to plan, control, estimate, make decision. Among the controlling report are planning, controlling, budgeting, and decision making. Next, there are three main financial statements, which is balance sheet, cash flow account, and profit and loss. The three financial statements are interlinked with each other. Today, there is automation in all type business. There is demand for an accountant with a basic computing skill to cooperate with an accounting software. This is because technology is evolving. Additionally, the accumulation of working experience shows an advantage when you are in the same work field in a long period. The ability to differentiate the truth and the facility in making a decision professionally connect with a job knowledge that has gained through the job experience. The world of knowledge is infinite, which means that there is no end to learning, unlearning, and relearning new skills that are in sync with the scheduling of time. Furthermore, formal learning that is provided by the company training, system vendor training, and taking courses that offered by university take an advantage on acquiring the knowledge too. As it was stated that informal learning such as self-taught and gain knowledge from working experience work vary in obtaining a specific work field. Among what can be done to boost up consciousness related to the field of employment, which is always surrounded by other accountants and always contact with very similar job tasks. Being an accountant need to acquire a basic knowledge of accounting. The hardworking touch informal learning will also be noticed by the result. Miss Emily, an accountant of TBL Electronic Company, said she is not afraid to use automation technology, but this technology help her do the job. Supposing that fear controls the emotion in mastering a new field just because a comfort zone has changed. However, a person who truly is passionate in his or her job will not let fear control them and restrain their professional expertise and ability when their comfort zone change. There are sentences which indicate that we learn to mistake. Take a course or attempt new skill when you have an opportunity. Automation technology allows you to amend the data each time when the information was input mistakenly. The software allows us to make amendments before the current year ended. Therefore, staying in a field will not remedy the mistake that you caused. Automation technology is more convenient when applying amendments because it comprises. For example, it was remarked that tax return GST must be submitted to the GST office not later than the last day of the following month after the end of the tax period. Therefore, we must take precautions while filling the GST return without making any mistake because submission time is limited in short period. That's all for this part. Next will be my friend to present. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Yunje and I will continue with the challenges that Miss Emily faced and how she solved it. Challenges that she faced while using Autocount system are not much. The only problem is the invoice designing. We all know that invoice consists many patterns of design. Some are colorful and some are simple. And for a non-IT person like Miss Emily, designing an invoice template may be a challenge to her because editing and redesigning field is out of her specialty, and the company wishes to subjoining an additional information in their invoice template such as grand total, deposit, final payment, product details, and many more. The company also demand on a personalized invoice because it will stand out on its own unique style. Although generate a professional invoice is good, but it will also increase the employee's job scope. For Miss Emily, how to solve the problem? Well, it's normal that everybody will get support from the Autocount system user guide or manual guide, and it will resolve the problem in editing invoice. And also we will get a better understanding to functioning the system. The second solution is getting help from the system vendors. System vendors will use an application such as TeamViewer. TeamViewer is a proprietary software application for remote controlling, desktop sharing, online meetings, web conferencing, and file transfer between computers. And the system vendors will give instruction in using Autocount functions, and this will be more secure because the answers are given step by step in detail. The third solution is getting help from the external support or just find the solution for ourselves. And Miss Emily suggests that Debitor is an software application by creating and designing professional invoice templates, and it will also provide lots of creative invoice design reference to the users. And Miss Emily also mentioned that she used Debitor as a reference in order to make her work simple and more efficiently whenever she wants to create or redesigning an invoice. think that's all for the challenges part. We will move forward to the conclusion. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Nurana Shaira binti Azhari. My matric number is AP 200,516. Today, I will present the last part, which is conclusion. There are 6 things that I will explain or summarize. Number 1 is technology. Number 2 is automation technology. Number 3 is Autocount. Number 4 is main financial. Number 5 is challenge of using automation technology. Number 6 is a way to solve the problems. Technology is a broad concept among which is the development and use of tool, machine, material, and process to solve human problems. Everyone use technology in life regardless of adolescent, children, or elderly. Second, technology can ease the human burden. With the advance of technology like today, can ease the human burden either in terms of work or automation technology is the technology by which a process or procedure is performed with minimal human assistance. In this case, technology is used more than manpower. Automation technology also very good and save work times. As we know, the process of recording, storing, and analyzing financial data can be done automatically. TBL Electronic Company has used automation technology for financial system. This simplifies the affairs of the company account. Autocount is a powerful software for managing company business data, analyzing business performance, and sharing information. With this technology, TBL Electronic Company can see the total amount used and the profit earned by the company either up or down. It can also keep the company account safe and secure to keep. There are many advantages we get if use Autocount. Among them are easy to use, portable and better, security and authority, and many more. The features of Autocount are easy and convenient to use, save time, and have a fast data storage speed and in real time, and last is flexible. Accountant need to know 3 main financial, which is balance sheet, profit, and cash flow account. Accountant does not require training like other fields, but need to know the specialize in technology. This is because all financial systems use technology. Miss Emily, the accounting manager of TBL Electronic Company, strongly agreed that this automation technology is used in the field of an account. The challenge of using automation technology is to design patterns and shapes. All the advantages are definitely lacking. Among the shortcomings or challenges of using automation technology is to design patterns and shapes. This is because the system software design is fixed, and if you want to modify, it needs to be edited and takes a long time. So employees need to be creative so that the work looks more professional and more promising. Every challenge must have a solution. TBL Electronic Company use system from support with the use of question and answer. Among the application use system view. This application is easy to use and provides support to users. This can help TBL company solve the problem.